Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I like to make a peach dump cake. So easy, literally like 3 ingredients and you're all set. And they're super affordable ingredients and it's really delicious. So not only is it easy and affordable, it's delicious, which is always a bonus in my book. I wouldn't share anything with you, but so I hope you guys give it a try and keep watching to see what it looks like. Alrighty, so this honestly couldn't be any easier. You're gonna need some melted butter. This is about a cup of melted butter, some canned peaches, yellow cake, and then all you're gonna do is you're gonna grease your baking pan. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350. That is it. All right, so first things first is we're gonna take our peaches and we're gonna arrange them at the bottom of our pan. Now the juice that comes down through the peaches, I did drain some of it, but I want the rest of it to drain so that I can pour it over the peaches later. So don't toss it, save that. And just kind of make it into an even layer if you can. Okay, my peaches are in here. I'm just going to take a little bit of the juice that's left. Just kind of pour it right over my peaches. And now what you're going to do, oops, you're going to take your cake mix, just as so. You're just going to pour it over your peaches. Your finishing touch is pour your melted butter, drizzle it over your cake mix, just like so. Probably should have used like a measuring cup, it would have been a lot easier, but okay, now this is ready to go into your preheated oven, which you've preheated at 350 from anywhere to 50 minutes to an hour, or until it's like golden brown and bubbly. It almost, I want to say, is going to resemble like a crumble, I guess, kind of. Not really, but kind of. So you're going to leave it in there until it's fully done, and then you can top it with ice cream. I mean, possibilities are endless. It's perfect as is, but if you add in some vanilla ice cream, it's even better. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope you try it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!